Assalamu alaikum, my dear all honorable learners. My name is Mohammad Pranto. It's really glad to me speaking English in front of you, and it's pleasure to me as an English learner. I can speak in English in front of you. Though I live in a countryside area, I am to cultivate in the land. I am to suffer a lot to practice in English. Although I can still practice in English because I want to prove something. If you have if you attempt, nothing is impossible. Everything is possible if you attempt. For this reason, every day I am suffering a lot to achieve my goal. To be honest, this generation to learn in English it's very necessary, and day by day its demand is increasing every moment because you know about AI, artificial intelligence. Before couple of years ago, nobody couldn't think the ChatGPT will come and that will help a lot. At this moment, we know about ChatGPT. Not only just ChatGPT, but also there are several types of artificial automation apps and software which we can use properly if we know in English. But if we don't know, and if we don't have enough idea about English, how to write a correct sentence, how to speak in English with friends, native English speaker, at this moment you can speak in English with ChatGPT face to face. It's possible in this generation. So you can guess what a remarkable sense it is. For this reason, if you want to sense yourself, it's not just enough to complete your graduation. If you don't convert yourself as a English speaker, as a fluent English speaker, in the future it will be dangerous for you to get occupation to communication with ChatGPT, because many people already says in the future without artificial intelligence we want to do something. For this reason, we must try to practice in English every day, and for this reason, at this moment I am speaking in front of you so that in the future I can help myself, I can help English learners, I can help the students in my country, as well as I can help my country, because I have an enormous dream. The dream is not sense ourselves, not make myself great. My dream is make Bangladesh great. And if I want to achieve my too enormous dream, I will have to suffer a lot. For this reason, if Allah bless me, if my parents pray for me, and if you pray for me, I will be capable to achieve my dream. Now today, see you again in the next video. Mercy.